6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Hey,
1.
water on my wrist, I think that bitch just drowned, eh. Baby seen her drip, I think she want me now, yeah. All you fucking.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy. I told y'all I was gonna bring y'all another one, so here it is. Now, as a lot of y'all know, like my friends, the only people that actually watch my goddamn video, y'all know that I'm making a clothing line. It's in the early stages or whatnot. So while it's still in the early stages, I thought like maybe I should start documenting this stuff. So everything is gonna be incredible, but just maybe I should just start documenting this stuff. Maybe it could help out somebody else who's trying to create a clothing line themselves. So with that being said, I have about 24 shirts right now. I'm about to put the neck tag on for my brand. My brand is called Watnami. I was gonna actually start making videos about the whole thing because I did a lot, but I wanted to make sure that I had everything straight before I start putting my brand and all of that out there, because there's people out here that steal. You know what I'm saying? People out here be stealing. So I just have to make sure I did all of that before, I start putting it out there in the world. So yeah, I'm about to put these neck tags in these shirts. So yeah, y'all gonna watch me do it, cause I told y'all to. Let's get it. Alright, so y'all, I got a few of the shirts done and everything. Decent amount of them done, but I ran out of tags. I had to print me out some more. About to pick the thing up. I'm about to cut them out. If you want another video about that, like if y'all want a more in-depth video about how to do this thing that I'm doing, just let me know and I got y'all. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and cut these out and then get back to pressing the rest of them. It goes so slow. I made a little change for the black t-shirt so that it'll show, you can't really see it. But yeah, let's see if it'll focus for me. Focus for a real nigga. Let me see it. Go back. It said fuck you. Hopefully y'all can see that. But yeah. Alright, so I guess I'm finna bag half of them because half of them about to take too. I'm about to do like kind of like a pop-up shop or something like that. I might just do it at a freaking flea market, bro. Like, to be honest, because I just really want to get idea of what people like. I want to see what people will go for and what people wouldn't go for. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm about to go to a pop-up shop probably this weekend. Whenever I do it, I'm gonna film that day. So yeah, we're gonna be there, bro. Yeah, so I'm about to bag up half of these. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna pre-bag the ones that I'm doing online. So what I'm gonna do is when somebody order a shirt, I'm gonna just make it to order. So I'm gonna have them bagged up, and then I'm gonna just put the size on the bag, like the back of the bag, so I know, okay, I can see through the bag, so I can tell if this is a pink shirt. Okay, pink shirt. Okay, this is a small. So bam, I just pull the shirt, make the shirt, you know, do all the shipping and all of that, sending it on this way. You feel me? But yeah, another thing I want to show y'all is this. I mean, it's a little ratchet. Can't cap, but it's gonna do the job. So you ain't gotta pay for a freaking folding table. You could just buy something like this and get the job done, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a piece of cardboard with a bunch of tape on it, dog. No cap. And it's gonna get the job done. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to do it. So, what you wanna do is, you want to lay the shirt out. Boom, lay it out flat. Lay the shirt out. Give yourself some room. Lay it out flat, boom. Put that up there. You want to fold this way. This is just to get a perfect fold. You could just fold regular, but it's just easier for me to throw it in the bag too at the same time. Fold it like that, boom, boom, boom. I tuck it right there, boom. Grab the bag. Pull it in there. That's how you get a perfect folded shirt inside of a bag. And you know what I'm saying? It looks nice and presentable, you feel me? Close the bag off, and I'ma just label these later, bro. I'm just kind of doing this for the video purposes of it, trying to show y'all how all this stuff works. And then, yeah, I'm gonna put the corresponding sticker with it. Matter of fact, I can really do that now. So. This concludes my first entrepreneur life video. You know what I'm saying? It's been fun, it's been cool. If you like, leave a like. If you like, then subscribe. And yeah, man, be cool, be smooth, and peace. See y'all.